This is the severe weather briefing for Friday morning. Let's jump right into it. This is the Storm Prediction Center Day 1 outlook. As you can see, the entire Panhandles region is in a slight risk for severe weather. That is for this afternoon and for this evening. As you can see, the tornado threat is 5% on SPC, which is a little higher than what we're used to out here. Hail threat 15%, and the wind threat of 30%. That's generally going to be for the hours in the evening, but we'll talk about that a little more. We've had a cold front that's pushed south of the area, but it will lift back north of the area as we go in throughout the day today as a warm front. And it is along this warm front that we'll watch for convection this afternoon, for storms to fire this afternoon. If they do fire this afternoon, which is about a 30 to 40% chance, there's a zone near the warm front that is going to run probably a little north of Amarillo in the northern panhandles that we're a little bit concerned about for our greatest tornado threat. So if we do get storms fire this afternoon, we could end up seeing a tornado threat develop. And here is exactly what we're talking about, this afternoon's threats. If we get storms fire, 30 to 40% chance that we do see them refire this afternoon. Hail is going to be the most extreme threat, but also damaging winds will be a high threat. And then tornadoes and flash flooding, also medium threats this afternoon. As we move into the overnight hours, we'll see storms move in from New Mexico. The tornado threat will be lower in the overnight hours, which is a good thing, but we'll see the flash flood threat increase and also have a continued high threat for hail and damaging winds. Do think there's about a 60 to 70% chance of seeing things move in overnight. So here's a possible radar image from 5 p.m. today. If we do see stuff form, it might look like this, isolated supercells in the afternoon. And this is a possible radar image for the overnight hours, expecting a lot more widespread convection overnight. So in summary, another round of severe weather, heavy rain is expected, and everyone needs to stay weather aware. Thank you.